To fix Instagram notification not showing is pretty simple. We first have to navigate to the bottom right corner of our Instagram and tap on it. Then proceed to the top right corner of our profile section where you see this three ellipses and tap on it. Then with this selected, allow it a bit of moment to finish loading. In the search, we're going to type notification and proceed to select the one with this best match. Then we're going to proceed to tap on this post stories and comments and make sure we toggle on from everyone and toggle on all Instagram notification. And after that, we're going to navigate back and then do same for each and everything here. So we're going to toggle on this from everyone again. Then we're going to scroll down and do that for comments, and then scroll down again and do that for each and everything that we see here. Then after you are successfully done with this, then we have to navigate out of our Instagram and move into our settings gear by typing on it. Then here we're going to proceed to the notification again, then continue to tap on app settings. Then allow it a bit of moment to finish loading. Then in here it's only showing as the most recent app that we've allowed our notification, so we're going to make sure to tap on it and select all apps. After that, proceed to scroll down and locate our Instagram and then make sure the Instagram notification is toggled on. And this is how you can fix your Instagram notification not showing on Android. If you have any question, you can leave it in the comment section. I'll do my best to attend to you. If you enjoyed this video, consider subscribe and give this video a like. See you in the next video.